This video will demonstrate how to file an amended GRT return and request a refund if the amended return creates a credit balance. After logging in, you will see your GRT account information. The File Now button is available for the most current period. The return due date is also displayed in the text. For this example, we will amend the return for the period ending December 31st, 2024. To amend the return, select the link labeled File, View, or Amend All Returns. You will see two buttons, File Now for the most current period and View or Amend for December 31st, 2024. Select December 31st, 2024 period and click on File, View, or Amend a Return. Here you can either print the original return filed for this period or amend it. We will select Amend. When you scroll down, you will see sections labeled Purpose, Eligibility, and Information Needed. Select Next. Verify your account and return information. If your mailing address needs to be updated, use the Update Address hyperlink. If no changes are needed, select Next. On this page, you will see the gross receipts originally reported for December 31st, 2024. If you're claiming a deduction, you must select Yes to add the deduction. Update both the location and the reported amount for each location. To make corrections, select the pencil-shaped Edit icon. Enter the correct location and gross amount before tax. In this example, we're applying a general deduction, deducting the total reported, which in this case is $5,256. A deduction code is not required unless it appears in the drop-down list. If listed, select the appropriate deduction code and enter the deduction amount. Select OK. The updated balance due will display at the top of the page. To add another location, select Add Location. At this time, we do not need to add a second location. Once corrections are complete, select Next. If you do not have business credits to report, select No, and then select Next again. On the Amendment Details page, the system will display the credit balance in both text and color. For the Amendment Reason menu, select the reason for your amendment. For this demonstration, we choose I am reducing the amount of gross receipts for one or more locations due to an administrative error in the amount originally reported. You may also choose last option to enter a custom explanation. Select Next. On the summary page, you may attach supporting documentation by selecting the Attach Documents link. This isn't necessary in this demonstration, but if you are attaching documents after selecting the link, enter a short description such as NTTC and upload the file. Multiple files may be uploaded. The department recommends providing a sales report for a specific period. Select the signature checkbox to confirm the accuracy. Then select Next. On the Additional Amendments page, the system will ask if you have more amendments. For this example, select No, then select Next. On the Confirmation Submission page, enter your account password and select Submit. The confirmation page will appear with three options: print the return, print the confirmation page, or request a refund. In this demonstration, we will request a refund. The page will show purpose, eligibility, and information needed. Select Next. Verify your information, then select Next again. Since the return was just filed, a credit available will not yet display. You may still manually enter the requested refund amount. In this example, we will enter $344.93. Next, select the refund basis from the drop-down list. For this example, we select Deduction and New because the deduction was not previously claimed. Enter a short explanation for the refund request. In this example, we will state an NTTC was provided after original return was submitted. Then select Next. Because supporting documents were already provided with the amended return, check the box located in the middle of the page. To confirm this, then select Next. Remember, to process your refund, you must provide documentation such as an income summary for the amended period, and your account must also be in compliance. On the refund method page, choose how to receive your refund. Options are paper check, by mail, or direct deposit. The department recommends direct deposit to avoid mailing delays, lost checks, or undeliverable mail. For direct deposit, confirm the bank account is in the United States. Select the account type and enter the routing number and account number. Select the declaration checkbox to confirm that your information is true and correct. Then select Next. Enter your account password again and select Submit. The confirmation page will appear. You may print the confirmation page, then select OK. Thank you for reviewing the demonstration on filing an amended return and requesting a refund. For additional tutorials and helpful videos, please visit the Tax and Revenues Department YouTube channel.